Good morning mga katropa. Yun, mga katropa. Okay. So, kung nasundan niyo yung isang video, nung pagdating namin, pinandar namin agad, ano. So, umandar siya. Ngayon, ayaw na umandar. At na-notice natin doon, si Engineer Faisal yun yung actuation pressure niya. So, dapat titingnan nyo din yung engine oil pressure. Nabababaan ako sa engine oil pressure, pero okay naman pala. Tiningnan natin sa SIS. Ang kanyang pressure sa low RPM 400, starting RPM to 400 to 600 RPM ay nasa 15 PSI. Yung kanyang 1200 RPM ay it's around 40 PSI. Again, we need to speak in English for the benefits of all people over the world. All over the world. Okay. So, I'm wondering why I have doubt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just only have doubt for the engine oil pressure. The record is 35, 22 like that. And then I check the specification from Service Information System, SIS. Okay, so I check the specification from may nanggugulo 1200 RPM, it's around 40 PSI. And then for 400 to 600 RPM, this is only 15 PSI. Okay, 100 kPa. Good morning, Ali.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Ali. Now, again, the engine is not start. I try to put starting aid. Just spray, Majid. Okay, I will start and let us look for the injection actuation pressure. Okay. Okay, 100. 500. I need gasoline. See? Start! Due to gasoline. Actuation pressure, boost pressure. Okay, we have active event. We check already clock manual. It's okay. We measure the but why not start? So now the engine oil pressure is 56 PSI, which means it's good. There's only abnormal engine because of number 1 not working. Ali, just check. See, we go to diagnostic. We will check again. Cylinder cut out. Maybe due to number 1 cylinder not working. That's why. See, Ali, hear the sounds, Number 1 not changing. The sounds of engine not changing. I cut number 1. Okay, not changing. I put it back. Number 2. Almost engine die, which means it's working, it's good. Okay, but injection expression pressure is correct. 2,500.
5 minutes बाद में
Automatically off, but not read anything.
You see, start. बाद में
But then not start. Okay, if not start, okay, yun, bumababa yung kanya, the injection actuation pressure getting low. But number 3 will cut. It's okay. When you do this cut out and the engine is rough, the operation of engine is rough, so must be you are getting quick. You put it back the power. Okay. It's okay. Only number 1 is not okay. See, the sound's not changed. Number 1, but the coil is okay. Okay, so we'll monitor. They said after 5 minutes running, the engine is shut down by itself. So we'll monitor the pressure, the very important engine oil pressure and the injection actuation pressure. Okay, you will look always the active event. From 3,700 Look, when I increase the RPM 2,100 from 3,700, okay? The pressure now is 2,800, something like that. I will increase more, 2,100. Okay. It's not maintaining the pressure. It is increase, decrease. Okay. Now we will go to one, two. Boost pressure. Now, sir, okay naman ang ang engine oil pressure. Ayun, no, 57, 61. Ano pa nga siya sa ano eh. Kaso ito, biglang na bumababa ang injection actuation pressure. Minsan bumababa siya from 37, 2,200 RPM. Ilagay natin ngayon sa ano, bumababa na siya, oh. Hindi na kasi kanina ng 37. Yung injector niya, number 1.
Mapi work. One
Okay.
injector mapi.
Yan, matay na yan.
Huwag naman. Okay. Huwag naman. Tiyan nyo, sir, ha? Cut
Ilan
natin.
ang temperature?
Ganun pa rin, mga nasa...
Now, so,
because it's very low. Tiyan nyo, sir, yung number 1, ha? Kunin natin. Pasensya na kayo mga nanonood at nagtutrobo lang kami. Okay. Pakita lang natin kay Sir Roger yung ating kaibigan po dito sa... wag nating babanggitin. Ayan.
number 1 mapi show.
Isa po siyang supervisor, Pilipino
Ito na,
dito.
Juan.
Yan, oh.
Injector.
Injector.
Yan, sir, oh. Hindi nagbagong tunog.
Mapi work.
Yung number 2,
Number 2 so. So,
ah,
now what?
lahat sila nagana.
Kuha na natin yan.
Number 2.
Lahat na.
Yes! Namatay na.
Yan, namatay na.
Okay, so that's it.